The MMDA said former Ilocos Sur Governor Chavit Singson's convoy was caught using the EDSA busway on Monday. He was given a violation ticket. Meantime, Singson took to Facebook to explain and apologize for the incident.
I'm very sorry at hindi sinasadya dahil nag-overtake daw yung driver. Hindi naman sa bus lane mismo, nag-overtake lang sa... Hindi nakasarayo kasi bukas. Nag-overtake. Anyway, hindi dapat tularan. And my congratulations sa mga tiga-MMDA na nakahuli. Nahanap ko ngayon si Chairman Artes na bigyan ko ng premyo mga nakahuli sa akin, bigyan ko ng 100,000. Aside sa multa ng lisensya. Yung plaka, walang plaka yun, bagong gawa. Gawa kasi kami ng, ang tawag namin doon, BMW ang gumagawa, Baluarte Motor Works, ng bulletproof cars na bagong-bago, kaya wala pang plaka.